I can sign up with an email address. No seed phrase needed. But here, I need to select a verifier for identity verification. The verifiers are decentralized. The verifying process seems nothing different from Web 2 email verification. But underneath it's different. After finish the verification, bam, now I have a Portkey CA wallet account. When you log in, here's what you see. Now, it's time to get some tokens. Click on Receive to get the QR code of the wallet address. Another Portkey account will now send aelf to me. Sally can scan my QR code. Enter the amount. Click on Send. And it's done. You can see balance of aelf in Sally's account is now 10 aelf less. There. I just got 10 aelf. I can send some NFTs as well. The NFTs can be transferred the same way. I can check my transaction history here. Then I'm going to transfer some tokens out. If it's to an address I have used, I can just add it from recents. As you can see, I sent 1.1 aelf. However, 1.4 aelf have been deducted. About 0.3 aelf is the transaction fee. I'd like to point out that the gas fee normally would not exceed 0.4 aelf regardless of the transfer amount. The good news is, accounts holding more than 100 aelf will be exempted from transaction fees for 5 transfers every day. In the case where I need to carry out social recovery, I can log in my account on a new device. Then I will need to get the guardian's approval by sending the confirmation request to the guardian. The social recovery process will be initiated. The social recovery process accurately includes 2 parts. First, guardians will verify my identity via the help of decentralized verifiers. After my identity is verified, guardians will complete the social recovery. My account on this device is successfully verified. After verification, I can log in my account on this device, meaning my wallet account is recovered. If I check the login devices, I can find the new device. We can then manage devices and delete the old one, which need to be approved by guardians as well. Here you can see, the previous phone will be disassociated with my account. I'll now make a transaction with my account on the new device. I can see from the activities that my latest transactions are recorded along with the previous transactions still existing before social recovery. I can also double-check on aelf Explorer to see if my transactions before and after social recovery are consistent. Adding new guardians also involves identity verification. It needs to be approved by existing guardians. After confirmation, a new guardian will be added. This time I'm going to add another for more guardians to level up the security of my account. The guardians can be different accounts of mine, be they email, phone or other social accounts. Or they can be accounts of my trusted people. As you can see, every time adding a new guardian, approval from an existing guardian is needed. Here's one trick to get approval from guardians. If the total number of existing guardians is less than 3, we'll need to get approval from all of them. If there are 3 or more, the threshold changes to 5 plus one of them. In sum, the creation, login and out, adding or removing guardians, and social recovery all need approval from existing guardians, which actually involves smart contract transactions. But given Portkey's special fee model, the fees generated from these transactions are covered for the users. Now, I want to exit this wallet. I can just log out easily. As you can see, exiting wallet also needs identity verification and will generate transaction fees. But in the case of Portkey, this fee is 0. It's time to try Portkey browser extension. I open Portkey browser extension. Show login QR code. I use another device of mine, which has been logged in Portkey's account, to scan the extension QR code. If I check logged in devices again, I'll be able to find the desktop. Now I can make transfers with Portkey extension. Success.